Hello, so let's carry on with solving circle theorem problems. We have 30 questions to solve today. We finished already 7 of them, so we have 24 to go. And here we go. The number of this question is question number 19 in your worksheet. And let's have a look at the diagram that we have in hands. And let's think of the first um, angle that you can find based on the given angles. I would say if you go A, B, D, this is an angle at the circumference, and A, C, D is an angle at the exact same circumference, and they're both facing arc AD. So this angle here is also 58 degrees. All right, let's think of another angle that we can find just by looking immediately at the shape. So we can say that this angle is an angle in a triangle, which is this one. And to find this angle, you're going to say the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Subtract from 180 the 58 plus the 34, and the answer will be for this angle 88 degrees. And then what is okay, let's have a look at this shape here. O is always the center of the circle. And as you can see, from B to O, this is a radius. From O to A, this is a radius. So this is an isosceles. So isosceles triangles. We're going to say number one, AOB. And we found from this triangle, angle OAB is equal to 58 degrees, and angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 2 times 58, and the answer will be 64 degrees. So this angle here is 64 degrees. Okay. All right, another angle that we can find immediately, this angle. So we have a straight line and this angle. And this angle, they are angles on a straight line. So 180, 180 minus 64, it will be 116 degrees for this angle. Okay. And if you look at this triangle, AO or OA, D, and back to A. From O to D, this is the radius. From O to A, this is a radius. So another isosceles is triangle ODA. And from this, we can say that angle ODA is equal to angle DAO. Both are equal to 180, which is the sum of angles in a triangle, minus the unknown angle divided by 2 in order to find the size of each angle. And this will come down to 32 degrees. So this is 32 and this is 32 degrees. Okay. All right. Any other angles that we can find? So as you can see here, we have the tangent and this radius. This angle here is 90 degrees. And if we subtract 32 from 90, so 90 minus 32, it will come down to 58 degrees. Okay. What else can we find? What else can we find? So if you go to this triangle here, so triangle, you're going to say AOB. So accordingly, we can find angle OAB, which is equal to 180 minus the sum of the known angles, 58 plus 64. And the answer will be, so 58 plus 64 is equal to 122. We subtracted from 180. So this angle here is 58 degrees. 58 degrees, okay. What else do we have? And as we all know that this angle here between the radius OA and the tangent is 90 degrees, and if this angle is 58, then this angle, it will be 90 minus 58, and the answer will be 32 degrees for this angle. Okay. Okay, so we found this. Okay, now 58 plus 32, okay. So what else do we have? 58. Okay. So as you can see here, that BOA is a center angle and BDA is a circumference angle, and BDA is half of BOA. So which means that our solution is correct. That's how you check on your work. Okay. Okay, so we have one more angles to find. We have this angle and this angle here, which both are forming the 58, right? Okay. So how are we going to find? So in order for us, so A, C, D. Okay, so we can find this angle if you look at this triangle here. Sorry. C, A, D. So, and this angle, all this angle is 34 plus 32, which comes down to 66 degrees. So 66 plus 58 is equal to 124, and if you subtract the 124 from 180, so this angle here is 56 degrees, right? And if this small angle here is 32, then we can subtract the 32 from 56, and we will find this small angle here as 24 degrees. Okay? So I think we found all angles. This is 32. This one here is going to be 58 minus 30. No, not 58 minus 32. 58 plus. Okay, it's going to be 58 minus 24. So 58 minus 24. So this one here, it will be 34 degrees. So 32, then 34, then 24, and this one is 32, 58. All this is 180, okay? From here to here, it's 56. And this is 116, this is 32. All this is 66, 34, 32, all this is 66, 58, and yeah. I think that's about it. Let me erase this. Okay. So in order for you to write the answers, ACD, okay? So let's do that together. So pen, pen. ACD ACD is equal to 58. So the answer here is equal to 58 degrees. Angle ADB so angle ADB, as you can see here, it's 32 degrees. So the answer is equal to 32 degrees. And then DAT, DAT, this angle is 58. So equals to 58 degrees. And the last one is CAO. CAO, which is this small angle here, and it is equal to 24 degrees. And yeah, this is a very interesting question. It did involve too many rules. So I highly recommend that you solve it. I highly recommend that you solve it multiple times in order for you to in order for you to understand it well and to be able to carry on with the rest of the circle theorem problem. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next record sometime soon. Bye. Hello. فاير. ايش شو رأيك؟ حمامات؟ الحمامات؟ ما انا قلت لك انا ايش حبيت، بس قلت لك الاثنين حلوين. يعني انا بالنسبه لي بحب حبيت اللي البيضوي هذا اللي هو بالزاويه جاي، اللي جاي بالزاويه حبيته اكثر انا. ايوه لاني حسيت الحمام مرتاح اكثر، عرفت؟ امم 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 اه امم اه 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 تفتح فوق لا 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 طبعا لا، بصراحة لا، ما حبيت. بعدين مين قال انه مش حلو؟ مش ضروري تيجي بالنص، بس هو انا بحكي لك شغله، هي لما ما بتيجي من النص احلى انه يكون مفتوح للسقف. يعني السيكوريت مثلا بالجهه محل ما انت بتفتحها وبتكون من الارضيه للسقف، عرفت كيف؟ هيك بكون الستايل كتير ظابط. got the point؟ شفتهم حلوين. كتير حلوين صراحة. اه